Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a lotus flower. Let's start off by drawing the middle of the flower with an almond shape, but leaving the bottom open. We'll be drawing the shape a lot today. Follow that with a line from here that curves to the left, and a sharp turn down with a gentle S-shaped curve towards the middle here. And mirror that on the right side as well. From the tip of the side petals, add a line that curves down to the middle. Then, in between the petals, add the tips of two more almond shapes in the back. And above, one more almond shape in between those. Above the left and rightmost petals, add another almond shape like so. Then, from this point, a line curving out to the left with another gentle S-shaped curve down to the middle. And mirror that on the right side. In the space between, add the tips of two more almond shapes. Next, add a big almond shape underneath that's pointing downwards. And two more to the sides pointing outward to finish off the flower. For the stem, two lines coming down from the middle with a short line across the bottom. Lotus flowers grow in water and stand on really tall stems. So, add some thin lines going around the base of the stem like so for the ripples in the water. To add some more detail, we can add some lily pads around it. To do so, draw a big circle with a triangle cut out of it like a cake. Then, add some thin lines going outward from the middle for the leaf texture. Did you know that lotus flowers react to the sun like sunflowers? They open up during the day to catch the sun and close at night. Also, don't forget the ripples around the lily pads. And now you've got a lotus flower. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.